Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to enable camera permissions in Outlook on your PC, following the latest update. Whether you're setting up for a video call or troubleshooting camera access, these quick steps will help you get it done. First, open Outlook from your browser. Make sure you're logged in and ready to access the web app version of Outlook. Once you're on the main page, look at the top of your browser window. Next to the web address, you'll find an icon that looks like a padlock or a small circle with an eye inside it. This is called the View Site Information icon. Click on it. After clicking the icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Site Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage specific permissions for Outlook on your browser. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Camera. Here, you'll find different options for managing camera access. To ensure that Outlook asks for camera permissions whenever needed, choose the option labeled Ask. This setting prompts Outlook to request access before using your camera, giving you control over when and how it's used. And that's it. You've successfully enabled asking for camera permissions in Outlook on your PC. This ensures that your privacy is protected while still allowing Outlook to use your camera when necessary. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with others who might need assistance with their settings. Thanks for tuning in.